Welcome everyone. Today we're exploring a hidden formula that's been used for hundreds of years, a blend of castor oil and baking soda. These two basic components might already be in your home, but did you know they can address 14 different illnesses? Castor oil was a favorite in ancient Egypt and Rome for its remarkable healing powers. Baking soda has been a go-to remedy not just for cooking, but for wellness too. In this video, we'll show you all the great things this mix can do, how to use it safely, and why it's still so well-liked after all these years. Get ready to see how this old doctor's miracle blend can help you stay healthy in a natural way. Important key benefits of castor oil. Castor oil is a natural treatment that's packed with advantages, making it a favorite choice for many who prefer to address their ailments naturally. Here's a breakdown of the key benefits of castor oil that show just how adaptable and powerful it can be. Anti-inflammatory and pain relief. Castor oil is widely recognized for its exceptional anti-inflammatory qualities. It's particularly helpful for those suffering from arthritis. A study in 2009 even found that castor oil can be as effective as diclofenac, a commonly used drug for pain easing. This makes it a great natural alternative for easing joint pains and reducing inflammation without the side effects often associated with pharmaceutical painkillers. Skin hydration and elasticity. For anyone struggling with dry or sensitive skin, castor oil can be a game changer. It deeply moisturizes the skin, leaving it soft and supple. But the benefits don't stop there. Castor oil also boosts collagen production. This helps in improving skin elasticity, which can reduce scars and stretch marks over time, giving your skin a smoother, more youthful appearance. Wound healing. Castor oil has remarkable restorative abilities. It can speed up the healing process of wounds and also prevent infections by stopping bacteria and fungi from growing. This makes it an excellent choice for treating cuts and bruises, ensuring they heal faster and cleaner. Antimicrobial properties. One of the standout features of castor oil is its ability to fight off harmful microorganisms. This makes it an effective tool in treating skin conditions like acne and fungal infections. By applying castor oil to affected areas, you can help maintain healthy, clear skin thanks to its potent antimicrobial properties. Hair and nail health. Castor oil isn't just for your skin, it's also fantastic for your hair and nails. It provides deep nourishment to the scalp, helping to reduce dandruff and promote healthier, stronger hair. Additionally, it strengthens nails, preventing them from breaking easily. Overall, castor oil is a wonderful natural product that offers a wide range of health benefits. Whether you're looking to soothe pain, enhance your skin, or improve your hair and nails, castor oil could be just what you need. Important key benefits of baking soda. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a versatile substance with a variety of wellness benefits. It's not just a kitchen staple for baking, it's also a powerful remedy in the health and beauty world. Here's why baking soda is so beneficial. Acid neutralization. One of the most celebrated uses of baking soda is its ability to neutralize acids. This makes it incredibly effective for relieving indigestion and acid reflux. Simply taking a small amount of baking soda mixed with water can bring quick relief from heartburn and similar symptoms. Additionally, because it neutralizes acidity, it's helpful in easing the discomfort associated with urinary tract infections, helping to reduce the burning sensation during urination. Adjunct cancer therapy. Baking soda has been studied for its potential in cancer therapy. A notable study from 2020 highlighted its role in managing tumor acidosis, which can affect the effectiveness of cancer treatments. While baking soda is not a cure for cancer, it's being explored as an adjunct therapy that could potentially improve the outcomes of conventional treatments by making the environment around tumors less acidic. Skin health. Baking soda is also great for your skin. It acts as a gentle exfoliant, sloughing away dead skin cells without causing the irritation that harsher scrubs can. This makes it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to achieve a brighter, clearer complexion. Moreover, its antifungal properties are useful in treating fungal skin infections, and its ability to reduce acne comes from its cleansing and anti-inflammatory properties. Oral health. When it comes to oral hygiene, baking soda is a superstar. Many toothpaste brands include baking soda because of its effectiveness in reducing plaque and fighting gingivitis. Regular use of baking soda-based toothpaste can lead to healthier gums and cleaner teeth, helping to prevent dental issues before they start. Acid-base balance. Baking soda plays a crucial role in maintaining pH balance in the body. This is particularly important in treating conditions like metabolic acidosis, where the body's pH becomes too acidic. Baking soda can help correct this balance, ensuring that the body's systems function optimally. Overall, baking soda is a simple yet powerful tool in both health and beauty care. Its wide range of uses and benefits makes it a must-have in every home. Whether you're dealing with stomach acid, skin issues, or oral health, baking soda can provide an effective, natural solution. Why combine castor oil and baking soda? Combining castor oil and baking soda might sound like a simple mix, but it creates a powerful duo that can boost your health in several ways. Here's why this combination works so well together. Amplified healing effects. When you mix castor oil with baking soda, you get more than just the sum of their parts. This combination enhances the healing properties of both components. Firstly, improves blood flow to the area where it's applied. Good blood circulation is crucial for healing because it brings more nutrients and oxygen to the tissues, speeding up the recovery process. Additionally, this mix boosts the immune system by increasing T lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell that fights off infections and diseases. This means your body can better defend itself against illnesses and heal from injuries faster. Another benefit of this mix is its stimulation of lymphatic drainage. The lymphatic system helps cleanse the body of toxins, and by stimulating it, castor oil and baking soda help your body flush out harmful substances more efficiently. This detoxifying effect can leave you feeling healthier and more energized. Absorbing harmful substances. This mixture is also great at neutralizing and absorbing toxins, excess skin oil, and harmful microorganisms. Castor oil's thick, viscous nature helps it trap and absorb substances on the skin's surface, including unwanted oils and bacteria. When combined with baking soda, which has natural cleansing and antibacterial properties, the mixture becomes even more effective at purifying your skin. This can lead to clearer, healthier skin and can help prevent acne and other skin infections. In essence, when you blend castor oil with baking soda, you create a natural remedy that not only heals and detoxifies, but also enhances your body's own defenses. This makes it a valuable addition to your health and wellness routine, offering a natural way to support body healing and cleanliness. Top 14 benefits of castor oil and baking soda mixture.
Reduces allergic reactions. Mixing castor oil with baking soda can be a game changer if you suffer from skin irritations or allergies. This powerful combo works wonders by soothing inflamed skin and calming allergic reactions. Castor oil is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce swelling and redness. When combined with baking soda, known for its ability to neutralize irritants, the mixture becomes even more effective. It helps soothe the skin by providing a cooling sensation and reducing discomfort. This natural remedy is gentle yet effective, making it ideal for sensitive skin and those prone to allergies. By applying this mix to affected areas, you can enjoy quick relief and help your skin feel better faster. So, if you're looking for a natural way to calm your skin, consider this combination a go-to solution. Antibacterial and antifungal effects. Combining castor oil and baking soda creates a powerful mixture with strong antibacterial and antifungal effects. This dynamic duo works together to combat harmful microorganisms that can cause infections. Castor oil has natural compounds that disrupt the growth of bacteria and fungi, protecting your skin from various skin conditions and infections. Adding baking soda to the mix enhances these properties because baking soda is known for its ability to kill bacteria and fungi by creating an unfriendly environment for them to thrive. This combination can be particularly helpful in treating and preventing conditions like athlete's foot, ringworm, and acne, which are caused by bacteria or fungi. Simply applying this mixture to the affected areas can help clear up infections and keep your skin healthy and clean. It's a natural, effective way to boost your skin's defenses against microbial invaders. Promotes quick healing of wounds. When you mix castor oil with baking soda, you get a remarkable remedy that promotes quick healing of wounds. Castor oil is packed with ricinoleic acid, which speeds up the growth of healthy skin cells, making it a natural healer for cuts and bruises. When combined with baking soda, known for its cleansing properties, this mixture not only cleans the wound, but also creates an environment that aids in faster skin regeneration. This combination helps reduce the healing time and minimizes scarring by encouraging new, healthy tissue growth. Applying this mix to your wounds can accelerate the healing process, ensuring that your skin recovers swiftly and effectively. It's a simple, natural solution for keeping your skin's healing process on track. Relieves pain and reduces inflammation. Combining castor oil with baking soda creates a potent mix that can significantly relieve pain and reduce inflammation. This mixture is especially effective for those suffering from joint pain, arthritis, or muscle soreness. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a substance known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. When applied to the skin, it penetrates deeply to soothe inflamed tissues and ease pain at its source. Adding baking soda enhances this effect by providing additional pain relief and reducing swelling. This simple natural remedy can be applied directly to sore joints or muscles, offering a quick, effective way to alleviate discomfort and improve mobility. Whether you're dealing with arthritis flare-ups or post-workout soreness, this mix can help you feel better faster. Soothes tired eyes. A mixture of castor oil and baking soda can work wonders for tired, puffy eyes. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids that nourish and hydrate the delicate skin around your eyes, while baking soda helps reduce inflammation and puffiness. This combination not only soothes tired eyes, but also revitalizes the skin, making it look fresher and more awake. Applying this mix gently around the eyes can quickly diminish the appearance of bags and provide a soothing effect. It's a simple and natural way to give your eyes a refreshed look, especially after long days or sleepless nights. Just a small amount of this mixture can help brighten your eye area and reduce signs of fatigue, leaving you looking and feeling rejuvenated. Rejuvenates and restores skin. Mixing castor oil with baking soda offers a fantastic natural remedy that rejuvenates and restores your skin. Castor oil is highly praised for its ability to improve skin elasticity due to its rich fatty acid content, which enhances your skin's natural plumpness and flexibility. Adding baking soda to the mix boosts the skin's hydration, helping to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling soft and smooth. Together, these ingredients not only hydrate but also soften the skin, creating a youthful and glowing appearance. This simple combination can be applied to the face or body, providing a boost of nourishment that revitalizes the skin, making it look healthier and more vibrant. It's a gentle yet effective way to give your skin a natural, refreshed look. Relieves joint stiffness. Combining castor oil with baking soda creates a powerful remedy that can effectively relieve joint stiffness and promote smoother movement. Castor oil is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce swelling and ease stiffness in the joints. When you add baking soda, it enhances this effect by further reducing inflammation and helping to maintain a healthy pH balance in the affected areas. Applying this mixture to stiff joints can make movements easier and more comfortable, allowing for increased mobility. It's particularly beneficial for those with conditions like arthritis or those who experience stiffness after periods of inactivity. This natural, easy-to-prepare remedy can offer significant relief, helping you move more freely and comfortably throughout your day. Skin whitening effect. The combination of castor oil and baking soda is not just a healing remedy. It also has a beautifying effect on the skin, especially in lightening and evening out skin tone. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids that nourish the skin, while baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant to remove dead skin cells and promote new cell growth. Together, they can help reduce the appearance of freckles, dark spots, and other blemishes. This natural mixture works gradually to lighten affected areas and enhance your skin's overall brightness. Regular application of this mix can lead to a clearer, more even complexion, giving you a natural glow and more uniform skin color without harsh chemicals.
Reduces itching and irritation. Combining castor oil with baking soda creates a soothing remedy that effectively reduces itching and irritation. This mixture is particularly helpful for calming the discomfort caused by insect bites and minor skin irritations. Castor oil is packed with anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe the skin and reduce redness and swelling. When mixed with baking soda, which has natural antipruritic, anti-itch, properties, it provides instant relief by neutralizing irritants on the skin's surface. Applying this blend to affected areas can quickly alleviate itching and discomfort, helping the skin heal without the urge to scratch. This natural remedy is gentle yet effective, making it a great choice for immediate relief and comfort from those pesky bites and irritations. Removes warts and papillomas. A mixture of castor oil and baking soda can be an effective natural remedy for removing warts and papillomas. Castor oil is known for its ability to soften the skin, which helps in loosening warts from the surface. It also contains compounds that can stimulate the body's immune response, encouraging the skin to heal and reject skin growths like warts and papillomas naturally. Baking soda, on the other hand, acts as a mild abrasive that helps to gradually erode the wart-imbalanced skin pH, which may inhibit further growth. Applying this combination directly to the affected area not only aids in the removal of warts, but also treats the skin gently, reducing the chance of scarring. Eases lower back and joint pain. Mixing castor oil with baking soda provides a simple yet effective remedy for easing lower back and joint pain, particularly beneficial for those suffering from osteochondrosis and arthritis. Castor oil penetrates deep into the skin, delivering anti-inflammatory properties directly to the sore joints and tissues, reducing pain and swelling. Baking soda complements this by enhancing the anti-inflammatory effects and balancing the pH levels of the affected areas. Regular application of this mixture can significantly ease discomfort, promote better mobility, and allow for more comfortable daily activities. This natural treatment is not only easy to prepare but also a gentle alternative to harsher medical treatments, offering relief without side effects. Fade stretch marks and scars. Using a mixture of castor oil and baking soda can help fade stretch marks and scars, gradually reducing their visibility. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids that deeply moisturize the skin, enhancing its elasticity and aiding in the repair of damaged tissues. This can minimize the appearance of stretch marks and scars, making them less noticeable over time. Baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and promoting the growth of new, healthy skin. This combination not only helps to smooth and soften the scarred areas, but also evens out skin tone. Regular application of this natural remedy can lead to clearer, smoother skin, giving you more confidence in your appearance. Restores nail health. Combining castor oil with baking soda is an excellent natural remedy for restoring nail health, especially for nails affected by fungus or deformation. Castor oil is rich in nourishing properties that penetrate deeply into the nail bed, strengthening brittle nails and promoting healthy growth. Its antifungal properties also help combat fungal infections, which are common causes of nail deformation and discoloration. Baking soda boosts this effect by providing an alkaline environment that inhibits fungal growth, further protecting and enhancing nail health. Regular application of this mixture can not only strengthen weak nails, but also restore their natural shine and shape, leading to healthier-looking nails that are less prone to breakage and infection.